So now we have one table and two tabs. Now to copy a widget, hover on a widget and click on the ellipsis and click on move and select the tab wherever you want to move this, second tab, and will move. In case if there is a tab, then you can select tab, and if a tab is not there, then we will create a new tab directly from here, and we'll select this and we'll move it. Now we can copy this. So like if you go to the first tab, you won't see this table here. It is there in the second table since we have already moved it. Now let's copy this. Sales table and copy it to the table, first tab. Now go to the first tab and you will see the first sales table appeared here. So this way you can easily copy and move a widget, and here this way you can delete this and save it.